Hey, Tom Sweeney here, and today I'm going to show you how to roll out a ceiling. Now, first thing, I think you should invest in a 14-inch roller pad. This frame here is made by Wooster. A 14-inch pad you can get at most paint locations, Sherwin-Williams. This is going to cut down on your time immensely. I've already painted about a quarter of the ceiling. First thing, I think you need to keep the room free of any obstruction so you can move on your rolling without stopping and leaving your wet edge. Let's come over here and we're gonna load up the pad. First, you're gonna take the pad and you're gonna touch the paint right here. You're not gonna take it in too far into the tray, and bring it back and distribute that paint evenly on the pad. So when you got a generous amount on the pad, you might have some running. You can always turn the pad and catch any of the heavy paint. Now we're ready to go. Now I'm going to start right at about the edge of where I left off, about a quarter of the way in. And this is going to put the paint on a little heavy there, distribute it out. And now I'm bringing it back into the heavy paint, all the way back to the other wall. And I'm going to work this in with a couple passes. Keeping the even pressure on the pad. I'm not taking the pad off of the ceiling. I take the pad off right at the end of my roll. I don't want to have any overlap lines in the middle. So, get a nice little flow here. It out a little bit. All right, that's the best way to roll a ceiling. Good luck on your painting and all your home improvement projects.